Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it is January. I am recording my Boxycharm for December because I got the box really late, and by the time I got it I was already on vacation and that wasn't gonna happen. So if you want to see what I get in my Boxycharm for December, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
You don't care what you're doing to me.
Okay, so this is my Ipsy box. I always say Boxycharm, but it's like I used to be a Boxycharm customer and I got switched to Ipsy, so you already know. Okay, so the first thing on here is from JLo Beauty. It's a that hit single gel cream cleanser.
Doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me.
It brightens, refines, and soothes. Again, can't use it because my face is already cleansed. The second product we have, it's a setting spray from TYS Beauty, and it's called Final Treat, and it is a hyaluronic acid infused setting spray.
Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then
I feel like I have one of these already, maybe. I don't know, but we will test that out today. I'm going quick. The other product is from EB, which is Elena Badro, and it is a lip liner.
an ocean for me. For the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me.
Which is this color. You can barely see this on me. That is not gonna match me, but you know, let's keep it moving. We also have an eyeliner from Persona. Oh, actually two eyeliners from Persona. It's a plum and a brown.
I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me. For the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me.
And this is the brown. Oh, the brown is really dark, and this is really creamy, which is amazing. And then the plum looks like so. So that is that. And last but not least, oh, we have a little eyeshadow palette, which is from Makiage. Oh, so I have another like quad from them, but they look like this one is called Gamechanger. That's not the one I have though.
Doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. Oh.
So yeah, so let's create a quick little look, cause I don't like every time, like, you know, we come to record, like, you know, we're like, oh, we don't have time, but I really don't have time today. I gotta go because we're driving all the way to Houston.
You should cry an ocean for me. For the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby.
So I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is Endgame, and put that in my outer corner, or my outer, yeah, my outer V. Outer V, outer corner, same different. And this is a E13 from Morphe. So this eyeshadow palette is really pigmented, and it blends nicely, which is always good. We have a problem. So this is a T11 from Makeup Shack, and I have no product on here. I'm just gonna go in and just buff the edges real quick. And then back to this, but right now I'm gonna keep this like really low. If I can get some NYX Glitter Glue, because you know, I have no time to go look, no time. Just tapping this. And then this is a Crown brush. It's just like a flathead brush. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This shade. We're gonna put that in the inner corner. This is a white 217 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here and just blend those two shades together. Like go here. And put this here. Perfect. So this is actually from my Boxycharm, and it's just the Plum liner. I'm gonna use that to line, and then I'm just gonna buff it with like one shade. Oh, this is a small crease brush apparently from Makeup Geek. Today it's being used for this. And now we're gonna go in the inner corners. What's up with me and this white TY17? And we're gonna go to that light shade that we put up here, and I'm just gonna bring this down actually. So let's go through my Boxycharm / Ipsy and see, you know, the total cost. So I think my box cost me like $30 something with taxes. So let us go. I have my little cheat sheet here. So first we have the eyeshadow palette, which is $48. The eyeshadow palette actually blends really well. Is it, you know, revolutionary? No, it's just, you know, basic eyeshadow palette. So yeah. The setting spray is $28. I actually didn't even try that setting spray. Let's go. Okay. I like the mist though. Okay. What was that? So let us go. So 48 plus the mist 28, so that is $76. And we have the cleanser from Jello that I did not test. We will test it, we will let you know, and that is $39. Let us jump into the lip liner, which I did not use because it's not gonna line my lip, like it's not bright enough, and that's $28. Last but not least, the eyeliner, which I use it like right here, which works fine. It's very jelly, like soft, but it did not break, so that's good. And that was $16. So my total for my box is $159. I paid $35. I think this box actually has been the box that I've had the most makeup product in a long time, so that was good. I only had one product that was, you know, like skincare. Everything else was makeup. So that's it guys for this, you know, Boxycharm December unboxing. I know I'm late, it's January, but you know, sometimes life calls, right? So yeah, so that's it for this December unboxing. If you want to see what I get in my boxes, you know, for the new year, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
But you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying.